Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring a foot massager. We're going to open it up and see what you get when you purchase them like this. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. This guy here, he's my assistant. He's going to open it up and see how it works. First thing you get, the actual massager. And of course, Toby wants to do everything, so he wants to start from the ground up. And we're going to take it out. Let's go ahead and lift it up. Move the box out of the way. Take this out. This is a little heavy, so but one person can do it, and nothing else, only a plug and play. And then we're going to go instructions on how to use it. So let's go ahead and do that. Very simple here. We got our power button here, we got the auto, and then we got A through A4, and then C through C3. We could customize it, and then manually, and then speed up, and then direction too. We can do that. Of course, Tori's very interested in how it works, and he wants to actually use it. But today, humans are going to use it, so we're going to plug it in. You got the same controls in your hand in this device itself, so I like that it comes with a little remote control. I didn't even know this. This is an actual plus thing to our remote control. You could just sit down at a hot day or very stressful day. You could come in here and relax on your machine. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out. Included in the bottom, 1-year warranty, the manual itself. So this is a plus. We're gonna go ahead and test it out. Toby's very curious what it is. He wants to try it. He wants to try it. Even the dog wants to try it. The controller, you turn it on, you hold on to the button, then hold on speeds. We're gonna speed it up. Direction. Okay, I'm turning it off, turn it back on, and then we could change the speeds to higher speeds, and then auto rotation, customize. We could come in here, customize it. You feel it different? We try all the modes. We come in here, go the opposite way, and go back up. We're gonna go auto, and then we could speed it up if you want to, slow it down, rotation, different ways. So very relaxing, nice and neat. It does not heat up. It just keeps twirling, and it's like those massage chairs at the mall. This is exactly the same thing, but it's very relaxing for your feet. I'm gonna try it on me for itself, and we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. So the power button on, and we're gonna hit auto. Oh man, it feels so relaxing. This is perfect for anybody that has arthritis or is diabetic or has feet problems. This is a perfect solution. And if it's too intense for you, you can always slow it down in here. So it's very simple. It gives you that nice little massage. You can feel it kind of putting the pressure in there. For high blood pressure people or people that have foot problems, this is a perfect thing for you guys. So very simple, and you can change it. Like I said, change the rotation, slow down the rotation, the pressure on it. It gives you a nice little relaxed area.